Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Here I have two different ICs. There is conformal coating layer. I will use paint remover and I will use acetone. Here I used paint remover. And here I will use acetone. So now its number is visible. Here I used acetone and here it will need some time to dissolve the coating. Now we have visible difference here and here. It is cleaned by paint remover and this is cleaned by acetone. When we are using paint remover, we need very special care that paint remover must be removed from the PCB. Otherwise, its debris will damage the cracks and other coating areas. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.